probably be my only video that I talk about it until they release the specs. But kind of want to give my take on the car and what I think about it so far. So let's talk about what we do know about the car. We do know that it's 5.2 liter cross plane crank. We do know that it's got a 2.6 liter supercharger on it. And we do know that it's a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, which I absolutely love that. You know, it's kind of the body looks like a beefed up GT350, which I do like because, you know, let's face it, the GT350 looks amazing. I absolutely love the car. There's not really pretty much anything that I don't like about it. You know, the only thing that I don't like about the whole reveal is the lack of information on the car. Now I understand that they are still in the process of tweaking the car. I would rather them hold back information than throw out information such as boast about it, like say it's going to do something and then when they finally get it out, it not perform to that what they said it's going to do. For example, we all know the Demon, you know, it come out, they say it's going to run a 9.6, and I don't know if anybody's hit a 9.6 in it to date. You know, I've seen them hit the 9s, but I've not seen them, and, you know, correct me if I'm wrong, guys, if somebody's been out there and somebody's done it, correct me if I'm wrong, but maybe this winter somebody has done it. But, you know, I've seen, I think, 9.8, 9.9 out of them. But still, that's still a fast car, don't get me wrong. But, you know, Dodge come out and, you know, 9.6 car, you know, and when you come out and say the car can run a certain time, you expect to see, soon after people get it, especially some experienced drag racers, when they get it, be able to run that time. When you wait this long for a GT500, everybody tends to think, okay, they're making it the biggest, the baddest, and honestly, I think they are. Is it going to be the baddest thing that hit the streets as far as production cars? No. You know, is it going to be the Demon in a straight line? Out of the box? Probably not. They're not building it for that. They're not building a one-trick pony as such as just a drag car. They're wanting to build an all-around great car, and I commend them for that. You know, they did tell us a sub 11 second. Now, what does that mean? You know, 1099 or faster. That's what that means. It could be anywhere in the 10s. So, guys, you know, everybody's jumped to conclusions. Oh, it's going to be a 10.9 car, and that's it. You know, what everybody is not thinking about is, you know, because I know a lot of Dodge guys easily said, oh, it's not a Demon killer. We told you, da 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 da. You know, here comes the Dodge wagon, bandwagon. The Dodge wagon. I can't talk this morning, but here comes the Dodge bandwagon, talking about, oh, it's not, it can't do this, and da da da. And guys, what you fail to realize is that the car is not being tested on drag radials like the Dodge Demon was. The car is also on pump gas, not race fuel like the Demon was. So guys, step back, calm down, and realize that if they said sub 11 seconds, that means it can run in the 10s on the tires that come on it, the Michelin tires that come on it, not drag radials, the Michelin tires that come on it, okay? You put drag radials on that car, it's gonna run even better. Where, how much better, I don't know. Let's wait and see the details when they come out. They're not finished tweaking it, so that means that they are trying to make it the biggest and the baddest, so let's wait and see. And also, like I said before, it's not a one-trick pony. The car is going to be capable of running great times at the drag strip, and then you take it and you carve corners like you did in the GT350, and it's even faster on the straightaways than the GT350. Guys, in my book, what's not to love? They also said 700 plus horsepower. Okay, so, you know, you're going to look at anywhere from, you know, 710, 720 to 780 maybe. I'm hoping for high 700s, but I'm thinking it's going to be more in the mid 700s. One other thing I want to hit on is a lot of people are freaking out because it only comes with the dual clutch transmission option at this time. I remember reading all over the internet a lot of people wanting that, but you have the die-hard manual guys that want to roll their own gears. And guys, I used to be one of them. I used to want to roll my own gears. I used to say the car wasn't no fun without rolling your own gears. And while that is somewhat halfway true, it's not entirely accurate. The guys that say that the car is no fun without rolling your own gears, guys, I challenge you, go out and drive a Mustang with a supercharger and automatic. Just go out and drive one, and tell me if you don't have some fun in that car. Because I used to think the same thing, that if I can't roll my own gears, it's not fun. And man, I'm telling you, I've had an absolute blast in this car. At times, do I wish I had a manual? Yeah, I wish I could roll them gears and bang some gears. But at the end of the day, it does great. And this is just a regular automatic. You know, everybody getting on the thing, oh, it's an automatic. Yeah, but it's a dual clutch transmission. It's a manual transmission that's automatically controlled. So it's kind of like getting the best of both worlds. You get lightning fast shifts in a manual transmission, and you have the paddle shifters. And I read a couple places where people said I don't like paddle shifters. Guys, then you haven't driven a car with a dual clutch transmission and paddle shifters. That instant shift, I mean, it's like shifting the gear up here without having to mess with the clutch pedal, and it's boom, boom, boom. You do what you want, you know, bang, bang, bang. I mean, but guys, it's going to be an awesome car. Give the car some time. Don't, you know, there's guys out there that have embraced it, that absolutely love it, like me, and there's guys out there that hate it. But I say give the car some time, and you'll be surprised when it comes out what it can do. And you know, I hope to be able to drive one. They're going to be a blast to drive, and I'm absolutely looking forward to when they do reveal all the numbers on it. And one other thing, the dial. I want to touch just a little bit on the dial. I understand that a lot of people don't like that, and I can see your reasons why, don't get me wrong. But at the end of the day, it is an electronically controlled transmission. It has no linkages or anything that you need a lever to pull. You know, I understand what they're doing with the car. So I'm not, you know, am I a huge fan of it? I'm kind of on the fence with it. I don't mind it though, because it's performing its purpose. When I first seen it, kind of took me back. I was like, I'm not used to seeing that in a Mustang. But guys, I think it's like anything else. Over time, give it time, I think you'll be fine with it. But guys, that's just my thoughts on it. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. It's not for everybody, I understand, but to see the progression that Ford's going in a Mustang, I'm absolutely loving it. They're taking the Mustang and they're taking it and they're going to make it a serious car. And I think at the end of the day, the GT500 is going to come out and do its job, and it's going to represent what the Mustang is capable of. You know, we want Ford to step up. I think that's what they're doing. They're stepping up. They're making the car even bigger and badder. A lot of people don't see it, but I do. So guys, like I said, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.